Dry your clothes faster, save space, and enjoy fresh laundry anytime with smart, compact solutions designed for modern living. Today, we're going over the best portable clothes dryer from our top picks, combining efficiency, portability, and convenience for apartments and use. All product links are in the description below. Let's get into it.
Number 1. Euhomy Compact Clothes Dryer. The Euhomy Compact Clothes Dryer is an excellent solution for people living in apartments, dorm rooms, or RVs where space is limited but reliable drying performance is still essential. With a 1.8 cubic foot capacity and the ability to handle up to 10.5 pounds of wet laundry, this compact unit provides enough power for everyday household needs. Its 1020-watt heating system reaches temperatures up to 140 degrees F, helping clothes dry evenly without excessive heat damage. The machine stands out thanks to its 7 drying modes, including warm, hot, anti-wrinkle, intelligent, and eco mode, allowing users to adjust drying performance depending on fabric type or load size. The stainless steel drum improves durability while ensuring smooth rotation that keeps clothes fluffy and soft after each cycle. A multi-layer filtration system captures lint, dust, and pet hair effectively, making maintenance simple. Designed for convenience and energy efficiency, this portable dryer offers dependable performance for small homes seeking practical laundry solutions. Number 2. BLACK+DECKER BCED37 Clothes Dryer. The BLACK+DECKER BCED37 Clothes Dryer combines portability with powerful performance, making it a dependable choice for smaller living spaces. Despite its compact footprint, this dryer features a generous 3.5 cubic foot capacity, capable of handling loads up to 13.2 pounds, which is impressive for an apartment-friendly appliance. Powered by a strong 1500-watt heating system, it efficiently dries clothing while maintaining safe operating temperatures through built-in overheat protection. Users can select from multiple drying options, including air dry, cool, warm, and hot modes, allowing better control over different fabric types. The stainless steel drum promotes durability and smooth tumbling action, reducing wrinkles and improving drying consistency. Setup is straightforward thanks to the standard 120-volt outlet compatibility and included vent hose with exhaust connector. A transparent front door makes monitoring cycles easy, while flexible drying times between 30 and 200 minutes provide convenience for daily laundry routines. Overall, this dryer balances efficiency, capacity, and user-friendly operation very well. Number 3. Euhomy 2.65 cubic feet Clothes Dryer. The Euhomy 2.65 cubic feet clothes dryer offers a smart balance between compact design and strong drying capability, making it ideal for apartments or small laundry setups. Measuring only 17.6 by 23.6 inches, it fits comfortably into tight spaces while still delivering powerful performance through its 1400-watt motor. Installation flexibility is a major advantage, as the unit can be wall-mounted, placed on a shelf, or positioned on the floor using a standard 120-volt outlet. Its intelligent drying mode automatically detects moisture levels and shuts off once clothes are dry, helping reduce energy waste. The strong mode handles heavier garments efficiently, while eco and normal modes allow gentle care for everyday loads. A stainless steel drum protects fabrics from snags and minimizes wrinkles during operation. Additional thoughtful details, such as a wide-opening door, clear viewing window, and pause function, make laundry management simple. This dryer delivers convenience, efficiency, and dependable everyday performance. Number 4. Kaelara 3.5 cubic feet Clothes Dryer. The Kaelara 3.5 cubic feet clothes dryer is designed for users who want full drying capability without sacrificing space efficiency. Operating on standard household power, its 1500-watt heating system provides fast and consistent drying performance suitable for both lightweight garments and heavier laundry loads. The spacious 3.5 cubic foot drum accommodates larger batches of clothing, making it practical for small families or frequent laundry needs. 4 dedicated drying modes, cool, air dry, warm, and hot, allow customized fabric care, while the strong and soft heat options add extra flexibility for delicate items or thick fabrics like denim. The dryer maintains safe internal temperatures below 149 degrees Fahrenheit to protect clothing from overheating. Its dual filtration system effectively captures lint and debris, helping maintain airflow and performance over time. Combined with a simple control panel and compact footprint, this dryer offers reliable operation and convenient everyday use for modern apartment living.
Number 5. Effidry 2 Cubic Foot Clothes Dryer. The Effidry 2 Cubic Foot Clothes Dryer provides a practical and easy-to-use solution for small households looking for dependable drying performance in a compact form. Designed specifically for apartments and limited spaces, this portable dryer features multiple drying modes, including cooling, anti-wrinkle, standard, large items, and cold air care, allowing users to match drying conditions to different fabrics and laundry sizes. Its PTC ceramic heating element ensures stable heat distribution, while built-in overheat protection enhances safety during extended use. The simple knob-style control system makes operation straightforward, even for first-time users, eliminating complicated settings. Installation is flexible thanks to the detachable exhaust pipe, and integrated side handles make moving or repositioning the unit easy. Whether stacked above a washer or placed separately, the dryer fits naturally into compact laundry areas. Overall, the Effidry dryer focuses on convenience, fabric protection, and reliable performance for everyday clothing care. That wraps up the top 5 best portable clothes dryer. Like, subscribe to the Ultimate Review, and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching. See you next time.